We have new details on the Safety Act. The state Supreme Court heard arguments from both sides this morning, and the years-long fight for the law is winding down. Our Capitol Bureau Chief Cole Hinkey is live in our Capitol newsroom. Cole, there's only one thing left for this case. What is it?
Well, the Supreme Court just has to make its decision. Now, they have no set timetable on when that decision will officially come down, though, so now it's just a waiting game. When the legislature passed the Safety Act and moved to eliminate cash bail, Attorney General Kwame Raoul knew the legal challenges would come. Now, the end is finally in sight.
Good morning, all. Mr. Marshall, the Supreme Court is convened.
The only step left is for the Supreme Court to rule and decide if the state will stick with the status quo or become the first to completely eliminate cash bail. When it was the state's attorney's turn to present their arguments, a pair of the justices openly challenged their points.
So are you saying that every lawyer in the state of Illinois has standing to challenge a statute they don't like?
That means that you have to demonstrate that there is no set of circumstances that this would be constitutional. Have you done that?
The state's attorneys argue that in order to eliminate cash bail, it would take a constitutional amendment.
The simple way for the legislature to accomplish all of these reforms: take the question, put it on a ballot, propose it to the people, let them vote on it.
The Illinois Constitution guarantees bail through, quote, sufficient sureties, but the state argues that does not exclusively mean bail through money. And if the court reversed the decision, the AG's office argued it would undermine many past bail reform policies as well.
Plaintiff's argument, if accepted, would bring down not only the pretrial release provisions enacted by the Safety Act, but also the entire scaffolding of legislative regulation of pretrial release in Illinois that existed for 60 years.
Now, if the Supreme Court rules in favor of the state's attorneys, then nothing will really change. The system will stay the same. But if they do rule in favor of the state, expect that ruling to include a new effective date for the elimination of cash bail in order to give counties more time to get this whole process set up. Experts say that that would be the logical thing for the court to do. Reporting in Springfield, I'm Cole Hinkey, WCIA 3, your local news leader.